Just so I can properly say welcome back to another video, man. Today is the day they're dropping off the Shellcat. It's been probably like a week since Dallas, and I'm back home. I've been home for a little bit. Took me a little bit to get the car out here and shipped. Just waiting on them to drop it off now. He just called me. He said he like 2 minutes away. I'm just waiting in this parking lot until he pull up. But he said he got like a 65-foot trailer, and this narrow parking lot, I don't know if he, oh, there you go. There you go right there. That bitch look crazy on the shipper. What's going on, man? You all right?
Nick.
Jew. Oh my goodness.
I would have a lot better luck probably coming
down. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All right, boys. So we got the truck inside of here. We had to do a little bit of blocking off traffic. We didn't do too much of blocking off traffic. We got it in here.
Parked illegally, blocking me right there. Sir, don't talk to me about illegal. I'm trying to give him something. Everybody's got a share here, so where are you?
I'm right there.
Which one?
In the designated parking spot your vehicle's in front of.
Is it the red one or the black one?
It's the black one.
Look at this dude. Okay, bet. We can move and let you out.
You don't gotta be a dick about it.
But you ain't gotta stand there, but oh, you're parked illegal, man. You're in my
fucking way.
That's gotta be racist.
I make more money in a month you make all year, bud.
She looked the same as when I left her, and that's all that matters. All right, but let me get back to y'all as soon as we get this car off the trailer, because obviously there's too much going on right now.
CTV 5 black queen, this bitch we throwing up. Ain't no need for you to act like you and me. I know it's up. Them jump out boys start rolling up. Pour out the lean, put out these blunts. We ain't been here for minutes. Never gave a fuck harassing up.
All right, boys. So we got the car pulled all the way in the garage. Apparently, it's dead as a doorknob. So I'm about to try to hook it up to this battery charger that we got from Temu. Shout out to Temu once again. Pop this hood. Yeah. Let me go ahead and lift this. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Battery charger got power. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It's at half power, so it should be able to give some love. Here, open this up. Ooh, the lights on, the stars on. Ooh, a lot of stars look good in yellow. Why do I never use yellow? Oh shit! She even dropped the truck.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Well, that happened.
That's exactly what I needed.
Yeah.
I have no f***ing idea how I'm gonna get it off here.
Nigga had one job.
All right, boys, we finally got the key. No power. No power, no luck. I'm gonna have to use jumper cables, so I'm gonna have to pull the fusion around. We're gonna have to use that.
2 seconds later.
All right, boys, so we got the jumper cables here, the fusion here. We'll snap this right along there, and then snap that here. Ooh, we got power. Moment of truth. It's probably not gonna start now. The moment of truth, man. We waited like a week or two. I remember Lynn saying like, oh, it'll probably take a week or two just for the car to start back up. Let's try to see, man. It's really dead. Oh, yeah. She's done. Well, the second gen is cooked. Well, not the second gen, but the 5.7 motor is cooked. The fully built 500 horsepower Shellcat series is over. You're done. Gotta go. Gotta get up out of here, young boy. Since this motor is cooked, I guess it's basically time for a new one. This car has been going for a week. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna be honest. The same day I got back, I went to go re-up. I could not sit down for too long. We got too many events going on, so I went and got us a new motor. I'm not gonna say what it is. Y'all just gotta continue watching for y'all to find out, man. The 5.7 has came a long way, man. We had some nice, good moments. We done put the car together on the exterior wise and all type of stuff just for the motor to just go out. Which I damn near already knew was gonna happen because the motor was old as shit. It had 170,000 miles or probably even more. I ain't surprised. This is the end of the road for the Cam 5.7, man. It was nice while it lasted, but it's time for something bigger, something better, or you know what I'm saying, or just more performant. I bought the motor last week, I believe, or the week before, so I'm just gonna shoot y'all to the day we picked up the new motor, and I'll see y'all as soon as y'all done watching that. What's the deal? What's good? What's poppin', YouTube, man? Welcome back. Today is the day we finally go pick up a new motor for the Shellcat. As y'all know, it blew up on me last video, man, and I couldn't stay down for too long. I got content to make for my supporters, you know what I'm saying? And I know a lot of y'all always asking me, Blue, how do you afford to keep replacing your motor every time it blow up or you lose it? Well, the truth is, I barely don't. But if you really want to know the trick, recently Nick put me onto this app, right? Well, all I have to do is play games to make money.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. I know that sounds a little bit unrealistic, but I'm dead serious about that. Like, you can literally play game and make money. I already submitted my cash out for over $200 for just playing a couple games. Now, if you want this same opportunity, all you gotta do is hit the QR code on the screen or hit the link below in the description so you can start making money playing games today. I gotta hit the road because I got a motor to pick up. Like I said, make sure I hit that QR code or hit the link in the description so y'all can go ahead and start making money playing games. And I'll see y'all as soon as we get the buffets. Today, man, I am back in Michigan. From the last video, as y'all know, I was in Dallas, and we unfortunately blew up the second gen. Oh no! It's red in there! It's broken! Fuck you! Second gen is stuck in Dallas right now, and I don't know how I'm gonna get it home, but we're trying to figure that out right now. Since the cars blew up, we no longer have the Shellcat. Obviously, I can't go without the Shellcat, man. I got events coming up, I got things coming up, so I had to come up with a plan B. I kind of already knew the car was gonna blow up sooner or later, or after I pushed it to its complete limits. I didn't think that it was capable of handling the beat down that I was gonna put on it. So I had a backup plan already. We got another motor ready. That's why he's the GOAT! So we finna link up with my boy Shane. Shout out to Shane, man. He made sure that we had a backup plan, a backup motor to put in this car. We got the Ford Fusion right here. I haven't seen this on the channel in a little while. Oh, reliable. She has been holding on and holding steady. As y'all know, she had some minor problems, like the radio didn't work. It was throwing some overheating code, but it wasn't really overheating. I ended up fixing that. It was just a temperature sensor. He put the wrong one in. We finna go link up with Shane right now so that we can pick up the motor. And if y'all thinking right now, like, oh, what he get, a Hellcat? A red-eye jailbreak? Nah, nigga. We still broke, dog. Y'all ain't buying enough chop shop for that. So we finna go pick up another 5.7 motor. But the only kick to this 5.7 motor is that it's a 2020 motor with an 8-speed transmission. Oh, brother. Nah, some of y'all might not even know what that means. This motor only got like less than 30K miles. This motor is damn near brand new, if you ask me. It's cold outside right now. I would have thought it would have been warm like yesterday. Yesterday was a beautiful day, but you know, the weather just said all that today and just, you know, declined. He's not too far away. I'm finna go link up with him right now so we can go see what that motor looking like. He got everything we need just about. He got the computers, the body harnesses, everything that we need so we can just slap a motor in there and get back on the road. I'm gonna put a Hellcat in the Shellcat, please. I'm gonna put a Hellcat in the Shellcat. Please just give me some time, you know what I'm saying? Your boy's still stacking right now. I still stay with my pops. I'm still grinding. Support. That's all I gotta do is support, and we're gonna get there sooner or later. You know what I'm saying? This is the humble beginnings. I still had a lot that I wanted to do to the 5.7 motor, bro, and that's why I ain't give up on it yet. It's a lot of people that came up to me like, man, you putting on for the 5.7 young bulls, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, bet, I'm gonna keep this shit going so I can inspire y'all to grind it out with whatever you got. 5.7, scat pack, it don't matter, man. Ooh, look at that Hellcat. I tell that nigga, hit that bitch. Yo, young bull. I feel like if I roll my windows down, he gonna hop on tip with me. You know what I'm saying? No. Yo, young bull. Let me figure out how far I am from him, and I will pick y'all up as soon as we get there.
Moments later.
All right, boys, so we're pulling up to the location right now. I tried to go to the bank, and my bank said I'm not allowed to pull out any fucking money. So that's where we at with this right now. So we finna try to figure out something. Where is these McDonald's? Shout out to Aaron. He's helping me pick this motor up. He's like one of the only friends I have with a truck aside from Nick. So damn, we need to invest in a truck, nigga. We been needing they trucks more than they fucking need they fucking trucks. Goddamn. Right, we pulling in now. Let's see if we see bro in this motherfucker right now. All right, boys. So since we waiting on bro to pull up to the McDonald's, we're gonna go ahead and order us something to eat. You know what I'm saying? And I also wanted to show y'all, we just received our cash out from playing games. Let me show y'all what we got going on. $238. I did that. I did that. All I did was just play games for a couple hours. Now I'm up dog shit. And you can do it too. All you gotta do is scan that QR code or hit the link in the description, and you can be earning money just playing games. I also learned that you can double your money by just making in-app purchases. So now I found a method to make more money and make more money on top of more money. So now we got more money than we ever had on road. Well, probably not than we ever had, but right now, yeah, because I'm popped. I'm about to buy this motor, so I ain't gonna have no more money left. Anyways, like I said, man, if y'all wanna earn cash like me, $238 to be exact, make sure y'all tap that QR code or hit the link in the description. Look down there, it's gonna be somewhere down there, and click it and go ahead and earn y'all some money. And I'll see y'all as soon as my boy pull up so we can get this motor. Go. I swear you gotta make some noise and shit. What's up, my boy?
My boy, what's
wrong with this young bull? You know exactly what I'm here for, man. You know what I did to the car, right?
You blew your trans, right?
No. I blew the whole motor, cuz. Blew the car up, yo.
You know what I did?
What did you do?
I blew my gear-to ratio clutch.
Wow, man. How the f did you do that?
I slid too hard one day and I felt it and I got stuck in second gear and I blew it. I got new trans on the way, bro.
Stupid. Nigga just doing shit already. He just built this not too long ago. He still look up the part. You ain't f***ing up too bad. Why it look like you been off-roading this young bull?
Bro, I got turned in a dirt road, bro. I was going down the wrong road and it made me go down a dirt road.
Okay. Hold on, let me get y'all full inspect on the motor and shit like that. Young boys really swapped this John. You gonna blow another gear ratio, young boy.
Oh, I cut the hood?
Yeah.
Must just get a new one because you can't fix it.
Oh, shit. You gotta get a new, like, lid?
Yeah, might be the whole new one.
Oh, that's easy.
I'm gonna powder coat it, bro.
When you Hellcat swap some shit, you supposed to cut this out so that way it doesn't damage.
Don't do what I did.
That shit ate that shit up. God damn. That shit happened to my shit a little bit because I put my OEM hood on when I first built my cat.
Shit on.
Damn. All right, so you want to go to the spot right now?
Yeah, we should do.
All right, man, I'm going to follow you, young boy. Don't go too fast and shit. I'm not in the Hellcat. Young boy, watch. He finna try to speed and do all types of dumb shit, and I'm not even going to be able to keep up. Bruh. Boy, ain't no wait, boy. Young boy, a genuine crash. I'm telling you, he be ready to go to jail in that bitch. All right, boys, we here. Y'all hear that, Cam? It's kind of quieter because he got the exhaust. Is your exhaust straight pipe or no? No? Okay, yeah, that's why the cam, y'all don't hear the cam as loudly. Let's see what we got here. Y'all turn this over. There you go. Damn. Damn. Young boy cracked the pen. That's cool. I figured you was gonna fucking crack the pen, dumbass.
Shut up, dumbass.
He got the cradles right here. They took everything apart.
We had to do it in order to get everything because we had a U-Haul.
Yeah, no, I feel that for sure.
Bro, this shit had 50K miles.
Oh my
Not
God.
even. Exactly on the dot. No, nothing over 50K. If not even 50. Maybe 40, maybe 90.
He don't got a clue in the fucking world.
This is all going in the second gen, guys. Okay, bet. So let me call bro up, see where he's at, and then we gonna get the load in the truck up with this shit right here. All right. What you got going, young boo? Y'all niggas ate?
Stars.
All right, bet. So he gonna be like 20, 30 minutes. So y'all wanna go grab some food real quick? I'm gonna hop in with y'all boys. All right. You said
They
what?
started problem, bro.
What started the problem? Okay, fork.
Watch.
All right, boys. We hopping in a fucking Hell Keys. I don't even know. Somewhere healthy, bro. You know, I'm on a diet. Yeah, we can do Mexican food and shit. What you
one fire ass place, Aaron?
What?
You talking about that one Mexican place?
Right by the Dollar Tree. Oh, Rookies Taco?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, that shit is.
Workies Taco? That's what it's called?
Rookies.
Tight.
Like Uncle Rookie.
Oh, Uncle Ruckus.
Like, it's like Uncle Ruckus.
Uncle Ruckus Tacos. So we at Ruckus Tacos. I'm giving y'all free fucking promo because of him. You know, it is what it is. He said get the nachos.
Get the nachos, bro. You gonna see once you get them bitches, you gonna open it up, show the camera, watch. You gonna see what I'm talking about.
Okay, bet. Give me the fucking Nacho Supreme, young boy. They got an arcade in this motherfucker. What you tell me to get again, young boy?
Get the nachos.
Get the nachos. All right, I'm coming here to try y'all nachos. Young boy said they was fire.
I agree.
So,
2 seconds later.
all right, boys. So we got these nachos.
Hey, I know my food, bro. Trust
You
me.
know
I
your food. He told me it was right though. Open your first. Ooh. I like how it's flattered though. Oh, bro.
I really want the host for real.
Hey, what you mean I don't want?
I'm lying,
Them bitches look
I'm lying, though.
That bitch look crazy. Don't sit here.
That looks stupid. It looks stupid, but do it taste stupid. Hold on. I got the perfect one right here too. I got the perfect one right here. Everything on it.
Let me know. Let me know, though.
No, it's right.
Absolutely disgusting.
I'm gonna get back to y'all as soon as I finish these hoes off. All right, boys, so we back at the storage right now. I just took off my shit because I'm about to get busy, boy. I'm finna go ahead and put this damn engine on the motor horse because Aaron is on the way. So we just gonna prep it and make sure we can just slide that motherfucker right on the whip. So I ain't even finna too much record that process. I'm gonna just set y'all up for a time lapse so y'all can get the full view of that shit. So give me a second. I'm gonna set y'all up for a time lapse and I'll pick it up as soon as Aaron get here.
I've been looking for some LOVE, but DRC don't stay by my side cause they got hate for me. Niggas around me know I get my heart cause I know nothing free, noted. I'm staying with the mom, that's who blow for me. I'm rolling, we got bows and got some drink and got shrooms for cheap. I send a bliss the same day, you better mention me. Let's take the striker through the
Lauren is here with the truck. Whoosh! But this is what we're dealing with right now. Holy fucking shit. We're gonna have to figure out how we finna swing this into there. It's gonna be a lot, and my camera is finna die. We finna figure out how we finna get this in here. Hopefully it's not too much of a heartache. I'm about to put this phone on the charger so I can get y'all more footage. Give me a second. Yo, so we got the motor in the car, yo. We cracked the pan, yo. What the fuck, young bull? Nah, it was already cracked, but I'm gonna take the pan off the 5.7. We definitely dropped the motor on the ground. So we need trans body harnesses. All the computers except for the PCM is here, right? Only thing we taking is everything we need to start the car. I don't need this big ass rear cradle. I don't need the exhaust. I don't need the seats. I don't need all that extra shit. I just need anything that will make sure that this car starts as soon as I put the fucking motor in. Hey, yeah. So we got the motor in, we got the harnesses in, we got the trans in, we got the torque converter in. Shout out to Shane, my boy. Appreciate you, you know what I'm saying? Real street nigga, you know what I'm saying? He heard I was in need of service and he came through. Real nigga. We still got more stuff to pick up. We got to pick up the rims, but the truck ain't gonna be able to fit all that shit.
Module.
Yeah, the module, yeah. Sorry, y'all, I'm sniffing it. It's cold as fuck out here, but we finna go ahead and head back to the whip, and I'm gonna pick y'all up maybe a couple days later. I don't know yet. It depends. So I'll just see y'all in the next clip.